Scroll down on the homepage to Change Your Details. Here, you'll be able to change your home and work phone number, your preferences on how and when you'd like to be contacted, your marketing preferences, and your password. You can also change your address, but if you have more than one account, you'll need to send us a secure message. For security reasons, if you'd like to change your mobile phone number, please call us, send a secure message, or pop into store. Select what it is you'd like to change. Once you've made your changes, you'll need to confirm your email address and click Submit. Once your changes have been made, we'll send you a confirmation email. Your security is important to us, so please make sure you log out of your account when you're finished.